Today we are going to see about transcription termination in prokaryotes, row dependent and row independent factor. The transcription involves initiation, elongation and termination in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Now our topic is transcription termination in prokaryotes only. There are two termination occurs in prokaryotic organisms. One is row dependent termination and another one is row independent termination. First, row dependent termination. One of the two transcription termination mechanism in prokaryote is row dependent termination. The protein row factor exhibits helicase activity in this type of termination. The row protein binds to the RNA transcript and moves in a 5' to 3' direction with the RNA polymerase enzyme. The RNA polymerase enzyme, which promotes the breaking of hydrogen bonds between the DNA template and RNA transcript. Row factor separates the DNA or RNA hybrid as it approaches the transcription bubble for releasing. When this takes place, it terminates the transcription process. Also, row dependent terminators have been found in enteric bacteria and also found in gram-positive microorganisms. Now, row independent termination. This is the another type of termination involves in prokaryotic organisms. In this type, an mRNA sequence is created as RNA polymerase advances. Prokaryotic termination is terminated using a second method called row independent termination. A terminator region usually has an inverted repetitive pattern. An adenine-rich region follows the inverted repeated sequence. Because the two areas in the inverted repeated sequence region complement one another and the hydrogen bond present in this sequence generate hairpin loop structure, and this formation stops RNA polymerase activity. Then the weak interaction exists between U bases of the transcript and the A bases of the template. The weak adenine uracil interactions separate the RNA transcript and DNA template and destabilizing them. Eventually, the transcript breaks out from the transcription location. Now, the difference between row dependent and row independent termination. The primary difference between these two terminations are: in row dependent termination, the row factors binds to transcript and ends transcription by breaking hydrogen bonds, whereas in row independent termination, the hairpin loop structure are formed to cause the termination. Thank you.